Last fall, Gail Smith sent a photo of her gorgeous strip of native black dahlia perennials. They were well established and absolutely flourished, covered with bees all summer long. But by the end of the flowering season, they'd gotten a bit tall and straggly, so she asked about cutting them back. When's the best time? We checked with Andrea DeLong Amaya, horticulturist at the Lady Bird Johnson Wildflower Center, who recommends shearing black dahlia plants back to a few inches from the ground in late winter each year. Perennials, which freeze to the ground in most years, will always perform better the following spring, producing more lush, compact growth and more flowers every spring if sheared back hard just prior to the emergence of new growth. When the days start getting longer and the nights begin to stay warmer, plants respond by flushing out new leaves and flower buds. If we have a winter that's on the warm side, some new growth may emerge from last season's old twigs, but if so, it will continue to look straggly, so don't be afraid to cut them way back. Black dahlias are perfect for dry gardens, and aside from winter shaping, require little maintenance. They grow to about 3 feet tall and attract bees and butterflies. They're also a host plant for the dog-faced butterfly, but deer will browse them too. Gail's soil is mostly amended clay, but the bed of black dahlia sits on top of a French drain surrounded by native soil and gravel. And black dahlia is one of the plants that's listed as acceptable to plant in the first 30 feet closest to the house, known as the defensible zone in Firewise landscaping. Fire resistance is a measure of how readily the plant will catch fire. Generally, plants that have a high moisture content and stems that are watery and lack resins, oils, and other volatile substances are more resistant to fire. Our late spring and summer perennials will be blooming soon, if not already. In Cedar Park, Tracy Martin spotted this eastern tiger swallowtail sipping nectar on this patch of lantana. As our perennials and shrubs start putting on new growth, add a bit of compost to build the soil and feed the soil microbiome. If you want to use fertilizer, this is a great time to do so. But be judicious. Most native plants need very little supplemental nutrition to perform well. We'd love to hear from you. Click on centraltexasgardener.org to send us your questions, pictures, and videos.